Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add icons to your start menu. So it's this ones. So normally you would go to your program, right click and say pin to start. And if you want to remove it, right click again and unpin it. You can search for icons here or programs here. OBS, right click it, pin it, and it's there. Okay. So say if you can't find your program here to pin, and say you can't, like for instance this one, StarCraft Mass Recall icon. So if I right click on this, there's no pin. So if you can't pin it, I'm going to show you how to do it. So just go to Explorer, right, and then go to C drive, users, your username, AppData. But if you can't see AppData, go to File, Change Folder, View, and then Show Hidden Files. Apply OK. And there you go. There's AppData. Go to AppData, Roaming, then Microsoft, Windows, Start Menu, and Programs. So what you want to do is go to your application or program exe file, so it's the executable file. Make a shortcut, then copy that shortcut into this area. So this is already a shortcut, so I can just drag it in there. Okay. And then you go to your start menu, scroll down, and there it is. So the one that's added here will now show up here. And you can just pin it in. Right click, pin to start. Now I have that custom icon there. And yeah, that's it.